Today I'm going to talk about how you can cover your gray. So here you see the gray on my hairline. So what I'm going to use is actually Pro Gray Away. Yes. And it comes like this. It's a stick. And yeah, there's a stick right here. And then this part is a sponge to smooth out the color, and this is in black to dark brown. That's the color I'm using. So let's go ahead and apply it. So just apply it right there, wherever you want to cover the gray. And yeah, it can also help to fill up your hairline a little bit, because you can see my hairline is not that full. All right, and I'm just going to do this side too. And a little bit in my this line here, this parting. I'm gonna take off my glasses so I can do the edges better right here. Yeah, and just this part here. And because I have braids, I can't really get to the ones that are, inside the braids. So for now, I think this looks pretty good. Yeah. So I don't do this every day. I just do it sometimes when I feel like my hairline can be seen. So now I'm done with this side. I'm going to use a sponge to smooth out the color. So yeah, this is less damaging than hair color, and it's just temporary. You can even wipe it off, or over time it will just come off by itself. So you don't have to worry. And I didn't find that it stains my pillow or anything like that. So anyway, so this is the finished product. Let me put my glasses back on. So yeah, this is the finished product. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.